The school year may be coming to a close, but that didn't stop hundreds of local elementary school students and Boise State athletes from teaming up to learn about STEM as part of STEM Day on the Blue. Currently, the turf, is being replaced, so students spent the day inside the Kevin Williams Sports Complex being coached on a number of STEM-related topics by current Bronco athletes, many of whom are STEM majors.
What we want to demonstrate is that alongside being a phenomenal athlete, these students are pursuing a career in STEM. And so those things can go hand in hand, and they provide such a wonderful role model to these students.
Students made their way through several STEM stations, building simple machines, experimenting with light, using prisms and tasers.
Wow.
Even launching water rockets nearly 30 feet in the air. I'm guessing that was popular today because it was kind of warm, and water rockets might be a good idea for this weekend.
And it's kind of cool to see college athletes showing you student athletes, the student part of their athleticism as well.
Yeah, there's a double message there that, hey, I want to be there someday doing this too. Very good.